back. We got some small programs we're gonna add. Start off with, and then we're gonna add a compositor. We're gonna add a bar. Add a bar. And we're gonna configure the compositor, and we're gonna go get a different background, and then probably end the video somewhere around there. So, anyways, up here, if you notice, up here in the terminal here, you got let's go ahead and get this off. You don't need to see my face anymore. All right. Now, we need to get some background programs to make this work. The things we're going to end up doing with it, make those work. So either type in sudo nala or sudo apt install xbindkeys, usbview, usb-creator-gtk, udiskie, and gsimplecal and gparted. Okay, what do all these do? Obviously, xbindkeys is for binding functions to your keyboard, quick hotkeys, so you can get through your system faster. Like if you want a certain window to open up with a certain hotkey, etc. usbview will pop up the USB flash storage drive when you plug it in. Udiskie allows it to communicate, basically. Wow, my window's all jacked up. Hold on a second, let me fix this. Freaking OBS, I swear to God, it just jumps around on you sometimes. Okay, where was I? The USB creator, or USB-creator-gtk. Udiskie, let me I just have that up. Okay, udiskie is a front end that's written in Python. Its main purpose is to automatically mounting removable media such as CDs or flash drives. And gsimplecal is to bring up a calendar when you click on your clock on your menu bar. And obviously gparted, we're going to need that later for an image option for imaging the drive. That way you can take a live environment. Say you download Ubuntu or Mate and flip it in there, run it live. Probably should use Mate because it already has gparted installed in that one. But anyways, you bring up Mate and it will take the image that you've created and then superimpose it back onto the drive, and it'll just supposedly just runs like that. I've never tested it, so I'm going to test it out here in a little bit, but that's past the it's in another video. All right, so we're going to hit enter and get all these programs installed, and then we got some more programs that we got to put in. I'm trying to speed these videos up so I'm not sitting there with a 1 hour long with me just rambling on. All right, put in your password. Click Y. You want all those. Meanwhile, we need to minimize this. Where was I? There we are. All right, we need to back out of this one. Create a new folder. We're going to call it picom. Enter that one. Yeah, no reboot's necessary for that. We need to go into that one. Yeah, usually the instructions I'm looking at, and I am looking at instructions because I've never messed around with Tint 2 like this. And Tint 2 and picom. We're gonna get Tint 2, but we're adding some bling to it. Because what I do is I have the base VM, and then I have an experimental VM. It's a clone of the main one, but then I go in there and I do different things with it. And if they don't work out, then I got the base VM to work off of. So, all right. Go into picom. We need to create a file, empty file, picom.conf. Click enter. And we need to open this bad boy up. We use hate for that. And I need to bring back up I need to type in an address. And unfortunately, I didn't enable the clipboard. All right, so we're going to pause it. I'm going to get that open, type in the address, and everything will be down in the show notes down there, so you can just click on it and go there and follow along. So we're going to pause this while I do this, and we'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, but first, I need to install a web browser. All right, so what we're going to do, I forgot that I was that far ahead. I thought I'd already done it in this one. All right, sudo nap pick. All right, search for Firefox. Come on now. There we go. Click on that. Click mark for installation. Click apply. And yeah. After I click apply, I'm going to click pause because this is going to take a little while. It takes a good 5 minutes. This is a freaking Snap Pack, and they are not known for their speed. So we're back in a minute. Alrighty, we got Firefox. So we're going to go and close this out. All the way. Now this should work. Yep. All right, now I gotta go type in the address, and I'll be right back. All righty, we're back. So the URL to this configuration script is https://github washui/picom/blob/next/picom.sample.conf. Unable to connect. Oh boy. Let me pause. I might be having problems with my internet again. It's been in and out all day. We'll leave it to me to typo something. Left out the .com on the GitHub. Alrighty, what we need to do is we need to grab 428 lines. So we're just going to go down here and highlight all this. Come on, go faster. Come on, you can do it. All right. I had to pause that because that took a couple minutes to scroll down to the bottom. So right click, copy. And we don't have a bar, so we're just going to save this and close this out. We're going to go back over to Kate here with that picom.conf file, and we're going to paste that in there. Alrighty. We got Firefox, we got our script. Now we need to navigate back to it. Back to our picom folder. And open this up. And I already took the liberty of doing this because I had another issue with OBS. I don't know what's going on. Ever since that last couple updates, this thing has gotten really bad. I'm going to have to nuke and pave probably. But anyways, you open it up and paste it back in your picom.conf folder. Back in your picom file, configuration file, excuse me. Close that back out. And I've got Hint 2 already installed. So to do that, what you do is sudo nala or apt install picom and Hint 2. Put your password. And it's going to complain, tell me it's already installed. There you go. And what that does, if you notice up here, you got the transparency. And on your menu, you've got transparency now too. Which means if you were to get another terminal emulator that supports transparency, you see across the top bar here, it's got transparency there. Just like that. So what we're going to do, and I took the liberty of getting a different background. So we're going to go and open up. Oh, where is it? Keep forgetting where it's at. I need to get something to fix this menu. Where is she? Oh, nitrogen. There we are. And there we go. So I'm going to go ahead and leave this right here this time. And we'll see you in the next one. And I'm going to do some research and figure out how to get flat packs to show up on OpenBox, because I've done some reading and people have been having problems with that for a while. So I'm thinking I'm going to have to, either put a dock down here, configure the dock, or just use the file manager for it under the desktop. Because we noticed we set it up. PC Man FM. You have a desktop folder. If you nav into the system and grab the icons, you can put the icons here. That's one way of doing it. or putting it down on the dock. I think I'm leaning towards the dock. I didn't want to have to install the dock, but either that or a menu editor. Anyways, I'll figure it out, and that's what we'll do on the next one. Alrighty. We'll see you next time. And stay safe and subscribe if you want. Like if you want. And I'm out.